Greetings. I am here at Varian Medical Systems with Jay West, who is the Director of Treatment Development Systems. Treatment Delivery Systems.
Treatment Delivery Software.
There we go. That's it exactly. Big muckety muck here. And he's brought us in. We've been working with his teams for, a few years now.
A couple of years at least, yeah.
And he's brought Scrum into his organization based on his experience bringing Scrum into a previous medical device company. And so I want to ask him a couple of questions. The first off is, Jay, come on, medical devices, highly regulated. You can't possibly use Scrum in this environment.
And a lot of people say that, that's the gut reaction that a lot of people come up with. You can use Scrum, but I think you have to be very careful about which parts of the product lifecycle you apply it to and which parts you don't. In a regulated, in a regulated environment, you have everything right through from prototyping to development to verification, validation, cut over to manufacturing, post-market surveillance. Some parts of that life cycle are actually quite amenable to Scrum. We have a lot of success with them. Other parts, it really doesn't make sense for it to have a Scrum Agile methodology. So as long as you cherry pick the right parts of the process, I think, and my experience has been that you can actually have great success.
Excellent, excellent. And so what success have you seen in the past, and why did you decide to bring it in here for your teams at Varian? What benefits in particular are you looking for? What benefits have you actually seen?
When I started at Varian almost a couple of years ago now, one of the things we were really looking for out of the R&D organization in general, but including the software part of the organization, is quality and predictability. We wanted the number of defects reported in the products that we released to go down. We also wanted to do what we told the executive management we were going to do along the schedule that we'd initially planned, give or take a little bit. And that was my marching orders from the VP of Global R&D, was to try and improve those aspects of the organization. And I chose Scrum Agile as a methodology to do that. We're seeing some great progress with that. We're seeing the average number of defects trending down. We're seeing that we're kind of hitting deadlines with the scope that we originally planned. So things are certainly on an upward trend that way. The other thing I have to mention is the developers in the organization. What I'm seeing is they're getting a lot more empowered, especially the junior engineers. They're feeling like they're now being trusted to make decisions that influence the trajectory of the product. And with that, you're getting a lot more engagement in the organization. People really feel like they belong in the organization. And so those are two of the things that I think are really working very well for us with Scrum Agile.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time, Jay. I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you, Chris. Yeah.